Thank God February was a short month. If I would have had to take 2 more days of that bull crap, I would need a much bigger bar than this one. Let's raise a toast for the month that's behind us. With February in the past, it's time to march forward. This month, we're looking at cocktails that take Green Chartreuse. We've talked about it here on this channel before. It was created many years ago by Carthusian monks. It was intended to be an elixir of life. Hopefully it works, because if I keep taking this many victory shots, I'm going to need more than a miracle. Speaking of victory shots, today's is Aperix, supposedly an alternative to Aperol. That is really good, but it is an Aperol. Today's cocktail is the Tipperary. It was first mixed at the end of World War I, which is a great introduction to both Green Chartreuse and Irish whiskey. 2 dashes of both aromatic bitters and orange bitters. One ounce of sweet vermouth. One and a half ounces of an Irish whiskey. And yes, we must first take a shot. Writer's Tears. Excellent name for a whiskey. Half ounce of Green Chartreuse. And first, we have to have ourselves a shot. I just felt like my life expectancy increased. And that's the Tipperary. Today's word of wisdom is objectivity. To be objective is to view something as it is from more than one side. Generally, this means you're looking for an answer or a solution, while setting your own personal biases aside. But really, people are rarely objective. If someone gets mad and yells, "No, I think Ant-Man is better than Iron Man, you idiot," it's rarely because they're being objective. Even when people think they're taking the neutral ground, they usually have an angle. One of my favorites is, "Well, let's just play devil's advocate." If you hear this, it's really because they feel their way, but they really want you to think they feel your way, but just trying to come at things from an objective standpoint. Bull crap.